Virgin is a leading venture capital organization and is one of the world's most recognized and respected brands. The company is conceived in 1970 by Sir Richard Branson. Virgin has created more than 200 well-known companies worldwide, employing approximately 50,000 people in 29 countries. They stand for value, richness, quality, innovation, and a sense of competitive challenge. The company frequently creates partnerships with others to combine industry-specific skills, knowledge, and operational expertise. Virgin uses human relation model as well as open system management. There are no bureaucracy, a tiny board, and no massive headquarters. The proof of their success is real and tangible.
When it comes to petrol analysis, you can highlight that one of the company's weaknesses is that for being a private ownership, it doesn't have many financial options. Legally, since 2005, when the European regulations changed, the company has been very affected as it had to compensate every single customer for any delays, cancellations, and so on. Here we suggest that Virgin launches a new project where no delays take place. Now coming to the main point, we can say that Virgin has been developing new aircraft and in fact is the first company in the sector to develop a biofuel one. Now I can pass it to my colleague who will talk about Virgin and the climate change.
Rapid growth in Virgin Airlines has assured that aviation remains a significant and growing contributor to climate change, despite technological advances that continue to improve efficiency and reduce emissions as new aircraft are introduced. The aviation impacts occur not only from emissions of CO2, but also from other emissions such as oxides of nitrogen, which can increase ozone and reduce methane. Other clouds play an important role in climate, and formation of controls is also a contributor, particularly where those controls are long-lived and spread to form large cirrus clouds.
Hello, I'm going to interview Monica, who is going to explain about 5 forces. Okay, and the first question is, does Virgin have the potential new entrants?
There is no threat of new entrants because Virgin is a well-known company to everyone. This is why Virgin does not need to compete with other similar companies to get good reputation. Looking at SWOT analysis, a strength for Virgin is that it has strong branding, which helps to improve recognition for their customers. So Virgin has no threat of new entrants coming into the industry.
Okay, and the next one is, what about the rivalry competitors?
Because Virgin has clear identity higher than other competitors within the industry, so for other companies it's hard to compete. Looking again in the SWOT analysis in the weaknesses for Virgin Airways, their competitors such as British Airways are trying to overcome Virgin. This is because Virgin lacks the scale. We would suggest for Virgin to expand their routes so there will be no worry about rivalry against existing firms.
Very interesting. Have customers have power?
Customers have no power within the Virgin company.
And have suppliers have power as well?
There are some Virgin groups who are suppliers themselves, such as Virgin Media, so suppliers have no power within Virgin.
Okay, and my last question is, are there any substitutes available?
There is no threat of substitute products for Virgin Atlantic Airways because Virgin Group is a big company who has a variety of products and services, such as media, such as Virgin Trains, Airways as well. So there is no threat of substitute for that.
Okay, thank you very much, Monica.
Thank you.